What's up, guys? So today I got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and I'm super excited to check this out with you guys. So it looks like we have a pretty minimalistic package. It is made with 31% post-consumer recycled content. So that's pretty good. And it looks like we just pull this to open. Somehow. There we go. That kind of worked. Okay. And I'm super excited, but kind of like half at the same time kind of nervous because I don't really know what to expect. This is trade-in, random packaging. Oh, this might be to send my device back. Just get all that out of the way. There's the box. So yeah, this is my first non-pro phone. What is this? This is my first Pro Max or Ultra phone. There it is, star of the show, Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. So as you can see, we have that little shadow there. And I'm super excited to check this out. I'll be switching to it from my Galaxy Z Flip 5. And I got it in the marble gray color, so that's super exciting. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Okay, so for the box, pretty simple. Got those peel tabs, which are actually really satisfying. Never disappoints. Definitely better than the S23 series. That was pretty bad. So it looks like the little paper pamphlet came out of the box. Let's see what we got in here. So quick start guide, terms and conditions. Put that aside. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so we have a SIM ejector tool and a US Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So let's put all this to the side. Yeah, there's the charging cable. Looks actually really nice. And let's get to the phone. So that marble gray color actually looks really good. And, you know, the paper with the little symbols saying where to put stuff and where not to put stuff. Frosted back glass. So take that sticker off and give it a peel. That was super satisfying. This device looks really good. Okay, so this, first of all, I just want to say how premium this feels. And I'm definitely not going to be sad switching from my S24. Has matte sides this year, which feels super good. This phone just feels so solid, especially considering the S23 that I have definitely doesn't feel as solid as this. So this is the first one non-ultra phone that I'm actually going to switch to, so I'm excited to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and power it on, and I'll be right back. Forgot to take out my SIM card, there's another piece of the box, out of my Z Flip 5. There it is. And put it into this new Galaxy S24. So there is only room for one SIM card in the US, at least. International markets may or may not be able to fit more than one. Not sure about that. So let's go ahead and place this in. Oops. Okay, so just let that kind of do its thing. So taking just a quick physical tour of this phone, first off with the color. Obviously, it looks super good. This marble gray, I love it. It's kind of like the titanium, like natural titanium, but like different. It's a lot better in my opinion. Although I do like the natural titanium color. Frosted matte black. And then we have just your 5G antenna, power buttons, and oh, restart, okay. And then we have two microphones at the top this year, which is new, just for better sound quality, and nothing on the left side. Then at the bottom, we have that new speaker grill, and we also have, you know, the US Type-C charging port, which is capable of 45-watt super fast charging, single microphone, and the SIM card slot. And, you know, we have 3 cameras, and I'm super excited, especially with all the new AI features. So, yeah, let's get this set up, and I will be right back. You know what? To be honest, I don't really care that this isn't titanium because it kind of looks and feels as solid as a titanium. So it's not a big lose at all. I think it's actually really good. So it's just starting up, and then, you know, this time I'll actually be right back with the device setup. Okay, so it has been a few hours now, and I've been using this Galaxy S24 Plus, and there's a lot of good stuff about it. But before I get started, I just want to give a shout out to 2 people who was able to guess what today's video is going to be about. So the first one is Tag in a Nutshell. He does a lot of cool tech stuff, so definitely consider going and checking out his channel. I will leave his channel and the other person's channel down in the description. And the other person is Tech Unboxings by Caleb. He unboxes a bunch of phones, and he will have content on the Galaxy S24 coming up soon. So definitely go check those out. And thank you guys, if you're watching this, for commenting, and good job on getting it right. So the first thing that I want to talk about is the bezels. Which is really nice. So this year, obviously, the bezels have been slimmed down. So it has, like, I think 0.1 inch bigger display, even though it's the same size phone. So let's just do Face ID. And as a super nice display. And it has the Quad HD Plus resolution this year, which is super nice, as you can see, Quad HD Plus, which actually is technically better resolution than the Galaxy S24 Ultra or the 23 Ultra, which, if you can see, is what I am filming with. So that is super nice because, you know, it's a smaller screen, so it can fit more pixels in it, even with having the same resolution. And the next thing that I want to talk about, and I love it, is this new always on display. So obviously iPhones have had this, actually last year was when they first introduced it. I really like how Samsung came about it because it looks more fluid, more like refined than Apple's, if that makes sense. And also there is a lot of new like features for wallpaper, and AI call actually does work. I tried it out with someone that I know that speaks Spanish, and they were able to talk to me, and I was able to talk to them, and everyone could understand each other. And we were in separate rooms, so it's not like we could hear each other talking. So that was really nice. Okay, and then the next feature that I really like is circle to search. So you just press and hold, and then you get this little cool, actually like really cool animation. And then like when you draw on something, it like gives a very soft haptic feedback, which makes it feel super nice, and just like it's actually a part of the phone. So it's searching. It's probably going to take a little while because, as you can see, there's not really the best reception in in my studio. But yeah, there it is, Best Buy. And the main important thing about this is so you don't have to like take a screenshot, leave the application, and then Google Lens the photo, which is really nice. And the next thing that I want to talk about is also just the design of this phone. So obviously the Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, actually really the whole series, but mainly the non-Ultra versions, got a boxier design, but it's still rounded, which makes it feel super comfortable and premium. It literally feels like the iPhone 15 Pro, which is super nice. And also, it like doesn't attract fingerprints with this new matte side instead of it being glossy, which is also very welcome. And also, I swear the hole punch cutout is smaller than on my Galaxy S23, but I'm gonna have to compare that in a later video. But yeah, so that is basically just a quick rundown of everything that I have noticed so far. And if you want my 1 week later review, consider subscribing and checking out my channel on next Friday, like Friday night, Saturday morning, kind of around then, to see my 1 week later on this device. And also, if you want to see a lot of stuff about the new Galaxy AI, anything about this phone, comparing it to previous phones, also subscribe and stay tuned for more videos on this device. So thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me that people are watching my videos to the end. You guys are awesome. And if you are watching, comment a smiley face. I'll put which one on the screen so you guys can comment that. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. And like I said, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I will catch you in my next video. I'll see you then.